This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimi. Beautiful move-in ready home in desirable maintenance-free Williamsburg Manor West/2-car garage. Fabulous open floor plan West/kitchen bar top opening to dining area and living room West/gas fireplace. Beautiful LVP flooring on the main floor installed in 2020. New carpet and fresh new paint throughout, 2-system Trane HVAC in 2017, water heater in 2018, all newer stainless steel kitchen appliances including refrigerator, smart thermostat and smart alarm system and more. Main level bedroom just off a family room. Second floor features a large ensuite and oversized master bedroom West/huge walk-in closet and spacious master bath with jetted tub/shower and dual vanity. Plenty of storage space. HOA covers exterior, Lawncare, extension insurance, rural metro, and more. Buyer to verify meaurements. For more information, review the details below or contact Sahel Naimi at 865-966-1111.